Where's the man? The man don't come out.
This Binacle Express Road, good one. You can see the water have covered everywhere in the road. You can see vehicle that we are trying to pass the road. They break down inside the water. You can see where's the people farms affected. Close to the water, close to the road. There is no road to Bini, there is no road to Akure, to Berifon, College of Atoma, and the current of the water is very high, as you can see. So this is what we are facing. We need government to come and give us land where we can locate to build our houses. You can see the pictures of the houses affected in Owan community. This is Owan community in November Northeast. November Northeast local government, Ward 7, Uyere. This is what we are facing. There is no way we can go to the farm now. There is no way we can travel to survive. So this is the express road to Akure. You can see people around there.